Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cotton candy using your Vevor machine. First, ensure your machine is on a stable surface and plugged in. Gather your floss sugar, cones, and any desired flavorings. Always read your machine's specific instructions for optimal safety and performance. We'll cover everything from setup to spinning delicious treats. Now let's get your Vevor machine ready. Place it securely on a flat, sturdy counter. Plug it in and switch on the power. It's crucial to let the heating element warm up completely. This usually takes a few minutes, ensuring the sugar melts properly and spins into perfect floss. Patience here makes all the difference.
Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Quick recommendation. On another note, if you love reading, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's fantastic for reading anywhere, anytime. You can find the link and other amazing deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Once your Vevor machine is hot, it's time for the magic. Carefully add 1 scoop of your chosen floss sugar directly into the center of the spinning head. As the sugar melts, you'll see delicate strands of cotton candy begin to form. Use a cone to collect these strands, rotating it smoothly to build a fluffy cloud. For the best results, avoid overfilling the spinning head. A single scoop is usually enough. If the cotton candy isn't forming well, check your heat setting and ensure the machine is fully warmed. Remember to clean your Vevor machine after each use to maintain its efficiency and extend its lifespan. Practice makes perfect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.